All right, this problem says that we have a stationary source that generates 5 Hz water waves whose speed is 2 meters per second. And a boat approaches a source at 10 meters per second. The frequency of those waves observed by the boat is what? So we have our waves, and we know that they have a frequency of 5 Hertz. And they're moving in a direction of 2 meters per second. This is what they radiate at. So this is going to be our velocity of our wave itself. We have a boat that comes in. We're going to be a little observer in the boat, and we're going to be moving at 10 meters per second towards our source. We have a little, say, a little wave machine down here. I don't know what I'm going to draw for my wave machine, but that's my wave machine. So my wave machine is over here producing these waves. They leave at 2 meters per second. I'm traveling in a boat going towards the wave machine at 10 meters per second. And I want to know what's the frequency that I observed, my observed frequency. Well, I know that the observed frequency for this, because this is really a Doppler effect problem, because I'm going to hit these waves. They're going to hit me at 2 meters per second if I'm stationary, but if I'm moving towards it, I'm going to hit them faster. So that's going to be my velocity of my wave plus the velocity of my observer, the person in the boat, divided by the velocity of the wave minus the velocity of the source times the frequency of the source. Well, I know that there is no source. That source is staying put. The wave is moving away from it, but the source is not moving. It's not like I have my hands in the water and I'm making waves and my hand is moving. I'm making waves at a stationary point. So when I plug in the numbers here, I have 2 meters per second plus 10 meters per second over 2 meters per second, all times the frequency of the source, which was 5 Hertz. Which means I'm going to see this as 12 divided by 2, which is going to be 6. My units, meters per second on top cancels the meter second on bottom. 6 times 5 Hertz will give me 30 Hertz. So I see the frequency of the waves that I hit if I'm in the boat is 30 Hertz, even though they're produced at 5 Hertz. It's because I'm moving towards them at 10 meters per second. So 30 Hertz is the right answer.